Hey guys, in today's video I'll be showing you this hairstyle using hair from Curlsqueen. All the information about this hair will be linked down in the description box. So here I'm just showing you some of the goodies that I received in the box, including a hairbrush, a bonnet, and some extra clips for the clip-ins. So again, the hair that I'm using today is from Curlsqueen. It is their 20-inch clip-ins in the water jerry curl texture. So this is premium Brazilian virgin hair, and it is made to match hair textures that are in the 3C to 4A range. So I'm going to show you a close-up of these clip-ins. It comes with 10 pieces total. It includes two 10-inch wefts, two 9-inch wefts, two 7-inch wefts, two 4-inch wefts, and two 3-inch wefts. So this is what the hair looks like before I wash it, and in this clip I'm showing you what the hair looks like once I wash and conditioned it. So now I'm just going to take you through the installation process for these clip-ins, showing you a little bit of my braiding pattern here, and then I'm just going to start installing them. You can pretty much do them however you want, whatever feels comfortable, and depending on how much volume you want. So the good thing about clip-ins is that you can just move them around to get the hair exactly the way you want. So y'all, this hair is so soft and the curls look really nice. It has a great curl pattern and texture without even having products added to it, which I love. Also, I think the clip-ins install really nice and flat. The clip-ins are made to be more seamless so that you can really get a flat install. So for today's style, I'm actually going to blow this hair out using my blow dryer brush and do some wand curls. So here I'm just going to show you the process of how I blow this hair out. Do y'all see how beautiful and luscious this hair is? I was not expecting the hair to have this much volume after I blew it out, but the hair is also very soft, and it was actually very easy to blow out. The hair wasn't tangled at all. So as you see, I took out the rest of my leave out, and now I have started to wand curl the hair. So I'm just going to now show you guys how I wand curl this hair after I've blown it out. So this is what the wand curls look like halfway done. As you can see, this hair curls very well. It has great shine and a lot of bounce to it. So now I'm just going to wand curl the other side, and then I'm going to get started on my leave out. So to blend my leave out with this hair, I'm going to do a mixture of flat ironing my leave out and then also wand curling it with the clip-ins. One thing I realized early is that you really don't need a lot of leave out with these clip-ins. Again, as I mentioned earlier, these clip-ins are very seamless, so you need very little leave out to blend your hair. The great thing about clip-ins is that they're easily adjustable. So later on, once I straighten my hair, I'm going to move my clip-ins much closer to my part to get a more seamless blend. So as I mentioned before, I did adjust my clip-ins to be closer to the part, and as you can see, it looks so much better now. So the thing about clip-ins, you definitely just want to adjust your leave out until it blends perfectly. I also took some of the clip-ins out. It all depends on how much volume you want for your hairstyle. But as I mentioned before, I really wasn't expecting the blowout to have so much volume. So I did end up taking out some of the clip-ins just to have a more natural density. Now, if you are concerned about having leave out and having to blend your natural hair with the clip-ins, I'm going to show you an alternative style that you can do where you have leave out, but you don't have to worry about blending the hair as much. So for this alternative style, instead of having a middle part, you're just going to leave out the entire front perimeter of your hair. And what you're going to do is just flat twist that section in the front, and then you'll just install the clip-ins underneath of the flat twist for a seamless look. So I love the way that my hair turned out. I love the texture of this hair both in its natural state and in its blown out and curled state. I feel like this hair looks so natural and blends very well with my own hair. So let me know down in the comments what you think of this hair and the styles that I did. All information about this hair will be linked down below in the description box, plus a coupon code where you can get some money off. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.